That's where I'm headed. Right over there. It's really windy today. It's a good day for Tenkara. So we're here at the spillway. As you can see, it's all washed out. It's really windy too. There's a lot of trucks. Worst case scenario, we can drop her fly and let the current take it down. See if we can catch some fish. So the bass are hitting top water with the Siki Ray casting directly in the wind with the master line. Bass, 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 fishy. That wind is just howling. It is super hard to cast when it's this windy, as you know. I keep getting hits from bass. Can't set the hook just fast enough. Wish I had a Kelly kettle right now, I'd make some tea. But instead I'm just going to keep fishing. So hopefully there'll be some more pictures. Who knows? Siki Ray casting just straight into the wind.